Now arms up. Okay, now stretch back. And then this way.
This way. This way.
Then this way.
Da.
And then switch our feet. Yep. Now reach back. And then to the right.
Left.
And then the other way to the left.
Away. Left.
And then back again. Then switch. And back again. And then to the right. And then to the left. And then back again. Ooh. More? That's all I was doing though. More? Well, I don't know what else. What else do you want to do? You want to do this?
Eli, come over this way. I can't see you.
Come over here.
Go by Daddy.
Yep. Arms behind your bed, like this. No, not over your eyes, behind your head. There you go. Okay. Now, to the left. To the right. Whoa. To your right. And now backwards. And forward. Forward, bend forward. Well, you keep your legs straight though. Keep your legs straight. See how Daddy's legs are straight? We're getting closer. You're doing squats. There you go.
Good job, Eli.
Okay, now hands up over your head again. Okay, now squat. And stand up. And down. And up. And down. And up. Okay, now one foot out in front. Okay, now sit down. Well, keep your foot up though. Okay, now you have to stand up. Well, you can't use your hands, just on your leg. Yeah. Okay, sit back down. Feet out in front. Grab your toes. Grab your toes. Keep your legs straight. Straighten your legs out. Oh, you don't grab my toes. Leave it under this. Are you stretching Daddy's toes? Okay, ready? Grab your feet. Lean forward. Yep. Ooh, you feel the burn? They feel the burn. Eli, here, we got two more to do. Okay, here we go, like this. Bring a foot in like this. Sit down. Oh! Okay, sit down. Hey, sit down.
I think he's done.